Hello children, good morning everybody. How are you all? Have you written your homework? I hope you are doing good. Have you remembered the story? Okay, again I will tell the story. Listen carefully. The old shoemaker and his wife lived in a small cottage. They were very poor. He was working very hard but he couldn't earn money. He was going to market for buy a leather and make a shoes and sell them in the market. One day he kept the leather on the workbench. When he saw the next day, that leather became a shoes. At the time, lady bought a pair of shoes. They became very rich. They had decided to found who helped on. They found they were little else. They were little else. Okay children, all of you take your English book, 10 book page number 40. 10 book page number 40. Okay, have you taken your book? 10 book page number 40. All of you keep your finger on the line. The shoemaker and his wife were touched. They wanted to do something for the helpful little else. I will make them some clothes. Their clothes were torn and patched, and I will make little shoes for them. They had bare feet. That night, instead of leather, they left the gifts on the workbench. What are these boxes? Shirts and trousers. They look like they are our size. These shoes look like they would fit us. Let us put them on. Again, the shoemaker and his wife were touched. They wanted to do something for the helpful little else. I will make them some clothes. Their clothes were torn and patched, and I will make little shoes for them. They had bare feet. That night, instead of leather, they left the gifts on the workbench. What are these boxes? Shirts and trousers. They look like they are our size. These shoes look like they would fit us. Let us put them on. Okay children, all of you listen carefully. The shoemaker and his wife were feeling about the else. Why? Why the shoemaker and his wife were feeling about the else? Because they helped them. They helped them. Now the shoemaker and his wife said, we wanted to do something for the helpful little else. We wanted to do something for the helpful little else. நம்மளுக்கு உதவி செஞ்சவங்களுக்கு நம்ம என்ன செய்யணும்? திரும்ப உதவி பண்ணணும். Shoemaker's wife said, I will make them some clothes because their clothes were torn and patched. I will make them some clothes. Okay, now old shoemaker's wife said, I will make them some clothes because their clothes were torn and patched. அவனுடைய லிட்டில் எல்ஸ் அணிந்திருந்த உடைகள்லாம் எப்படி இருந்துச்சு? கிழிந்திருந்தது. கிழிந்து ஒட்டு போட்டு வச்சிருந்தது. பாய்ச்சடு அப்படின்னா ஒட்டு போட்டு இப்போ கிழிஞ்சா என்ன செய்வாங்க? துணி ஏதாவது கிழிஞ்சிட்டுனா உங்கள் அம்மா என்ன செய்வாங்க? ஊசி நூலும் கொண்டு கோர்த்து வைப்பாங்க. அப்படி தானே? ரெண்டையும் பிரித்து வைப்பாங்க. அதெல்லாம் ஒட்டு போட்டு தைப்பாங்க. துணியெல்லாம் என்ன செய்வாங்க? ஒட்டு போட்டு தைக்கிறது தான் என்னது? பாய்ச்சடு. Now shoemaker said, I will make little shoes for them because they had bare feet. Now shoemaker said, the old shoemaker said, I will make little shoes. I will make little shoes for them because why? He said like this, because they had bare feet. Bare feet means without shoe. Without shoe. அவங்க காலில் என்னது? shoes இல்லை. That night they kept gifts instead of leather on the workbench. அந்த நாள் இரவுல அவங்க என்ன செஞ்சாங்க? டெய்லி லெதர் வச்சிருப்பாங்க. ஆனால் அன்னைக்கு லெதர் வைக்கல. என்ன செஞ்சாங்க? கிஃப்ட் பாக்ஸ் வச்சிருந்தாங்க. The elves came now. What are these boxes? Now, two little elves came to the work area. What are these boxes? What are these boxes? They asked themselves. அவங்களாவே என்ன செஞ்சாங்க கேட்டுக்கிட்டாங்க. What are these boxes? They were shirts and trousers. They were, what were there? They were shirts and trousers. They looked like they are their size. They are their size. அது பார்ப்பதற்கு அவங்களுக்கு பொருத்தமானதாகவே இருந்துச்சு. And those shoes looked like fit them. And those அந்த shoes எல்லாமே எப்படி இருந்துச்சு அவங்களுக்கு ரொம்ப ஃபிட்டா இருந்துச்சு. They put the shoes, okay, let us go, they are comfortable. Now என்னது, they had worn a clothes and they put the shoes. Now let us go, they are comfortable. எல்லாமே அவங்களுக்கு என்ன செஞ்சு கம்ஃபர்டபுளா இருந்துச்சு. எல்லாமே போதுமானதாக வசதியானதாக அவங்களுக்கு சைஸுக்கும் எல்லாம் பொருத்தமானதாகவே இருந்துச்சு. The shoemaker, so they went their place. The shoemaker, the elves again, the shoemaker and his wife never saw the elves again, but they lived very happily. The shoemaker and the elves never saw the elves again, but they lived very happily. The two little elves flew their place. What is the moral of this story? நம்மளுக்கு உதவி பண்ணவங்களுக்கு நம்ம என்ன செய்யணும், கண்டிப்பாக உதவி பண்ணணும். Okay, Tan book page number 41. Look at the pictures. They are elves. They have magic powers. Okay, one elf said, let us go. They are comfortable. Okay. The old shoemaker and his wife, அவங்க ரெண்டு பேரும் கொடுத்த ஆடைகள் ஷூஸ் எல்லாமே அவங்களுக்கு பொருத்தமானதாக அழகானதாகவும் இருந்துச்சு. The shoemaker and his wife never saw the elves again. அவங்க திரும்ப அவங்கள என்ன செய்யல, பார்க்கவே இல்லை. பிகாஸ் என்னது, they lived very happy. ஏன்னா அவங்க வந்து நல்லா வசதியாவது வரை என்ன செஞ்சாங்க, அந்த எல்ஸ் வந்து அவங்களுக்கு ஹெல்ப் பண்ணிட்டு இருந்தாங்க. இப்போ வசதியானதும் என்ன செஞ்சாங்க, அவங்க திரும்ப வரலை. ஆனால் ரொம்ப நாளாக அவங்க வசதியோட சந்தோஷமாக வாழ்ந்தார்கள். ஓகே, இதுல இருந்து நம்ம என்ன செய்யணும், நம்மளுக்கு கஷ்டப்படும்போது யாராவது உதவி பண்ணாங்கன்னா அவங்க கஷ்டத்தை நம்ம என்ன செய்யணும், நம்மளுக்கு உதவி பண்ணவங்களுக்கு திரும்ப நம்ம என்ன செய்யணும், உதவி பண்ணணும். செஞ்ச உதவி என்னைக்குமே மறக்க கூடாது. ஓகேயா? Do you help others? Yes, very good. ஓகே, எல்லாரும் என்ன செய்யணும், எல்லாத்துக்கும் உதவி பண்ணணும். உதவி பண்ணிடுறீங்களா? நல்ல பிள்ளைங்க. Okay, children, have you understood the story? Okay, now all of you take your classwork note. Okay, children, all of you take your classwork note. Open your note. Take new page. Lesson 3. L-E-S-S-O-N. Lesson 3. The soap maker and the elves. The soap maker and the elves. THE the SHOU so MAKER maker. Soap maker. The soap maker ANT and THE the ELVES elves. The soap maker and the elves. The soap maker and the elves. New words. NEW new. WORDS words. New words. Number 1. Soap maker. SHOE so MAKER maker. Soap maker. சு தயாரிப்பாளர். சு தயாரிப்பாளர். சு தயாரிப்பாளர். சு தயாரிப்பாளர். Number 2. Cottage. COTTAGE cottage. COTTAGE cottage. குடிசை. குடிசை. Cottage. குடிசை. Number 3. Leather. LEATHER leather. LEATHER leather. தோல். leather தோல். தோல். leather தோல். Number 4. Pairs. PAIRS pairs. PAIRS pairs. ஜோடிகள். ஜோடிகள். Pairs ஜோடிகள். Number 5. Perfect. 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 சரியானது. சரியானது. Number 6. Else. ELVES else. else. குட்டி சாத்தான்கள். குட்டிச் குட்டி சாத்தான்கள். Number 7. Perched. PATCHED perched. திட்டு. திட்டு. Perched. திட்டு. Write it fast. Lesson 3. The soap maker and the elves. New words. Soap maker சு தயாரிப்பாளர். Cottage குடிசை. Leather தோல். Pairs ஜோடிகள். Perfect சரியானது. Elves குட்டி சாத்தான்கள். Perched திட்டு. Okay, next write word bank. WORD word. BANK bank. WORD word. BANK bank. Word bank. First one. PERFECT perfect. PERFECT perfect. Without any fault. WITHOUT without. WITHOUT without. ANY any. FAULT fault. Without any fault. Perfect. Without any fault. Number 2. Double. DOUBLE double. DOUBLE double. 2 times the amount. 2 times. TWO 2. TI times. TWO2TIMES times. THE the amount. AMOUNT amount. AMOUNT amount. Double 2 times the amount. Number 3. Leapt. LEAPT leapt. LEAPT leapt. Jumped. JUMPED jumped. JUMPED jumped. Leapt. Jumped. Okay, number 4. In a jiffy. In a jiffy. In a jiffy. JIFFY jiffy. JIFFY jiffy. In a very short time. In a very short time. In a VERY very. SHORT short. TIME time. In a jiffy. In a very short time. In a very short time. Next, number 5. Touched. TOUCHED touched. TOUCHED touched. Feeling. FEELING feeling. FEELING feeling. Touched. Feeling. Okay, next, trousers. TROUSERS trousers. TROUSERS trousers. Pants. PANTS pants. Trousers. Pants. Trousers. Pants. PANTS pants. PANTS pants. Okay, write it fast. First one, perfect, without any fault. Second, double, 2 times the amount. Third, leapt, jumped. Fourth, in a jiffy, in a very short time. Fifth, touched, feeling. Trousers, pants. Write it fast. Okay, today's homework, book page number 41. Book page number 41. Put a tick for the statements that are true and a cross for those that are not. Book page number 41. Today's homework, book page number 41. Turn your homework page and write book page number 41. Okay, now you have to check your yesterday homework. You have to check your yesterday homework. Okay, all of you check your homework answers. I gave 4 fill-ups in the last class. Okay, have you written? Okay, now all of you check your homework answer. Take your homework page. Have you taken? An old shoemaker and his dash lived in a little dash. Wife and cottage. Wife and cottage. WIFE wife. COTTAGE cottage. The first blank you have to write wife. The second blank you have to write cottage. An old shoemaker and his wife lived in a little cottage. Okay, number 2. The dash and his wife were very poor. The dash and his wife were very poor. Shoemaker. SHOEMAKER maker. Shoemaker. Number 3. The shoemaker found 2 perfect pairs of shoes on his workbench. Shoes. S-H-O-E-S. Shoes. S-H-O-E-S. Shoes. Number 4. The dash beautiful shoes from the dash bought beautiful shoes from the shoemaker. The lady. L-A-D-Y. Lady. The lady bought beautiful shoes from the shoemaker. The lady bought beautiful shoes from the shoemaker. Okay, again. Wife, cottage, shoemaker, shoes, lady. Have you checked? Okay, children. Thank you, everybody.